Citation for Professor Joe Thomas Karakattu. Dr. Joe Thomas Karakattu pursued BA Honours in Economics from St. Stephen's College, New Delhi, followed by Advanced Studies in International Relations, MA, MPhil and PhD from JNU Delhi, New Delhi. He was awarded the prestigious Fox Fellowship 2008 to 2009 at the Whitney and Betty Macmillan Center for International and Area Studies, Yale University. His core areas of teaching and research are in international relations and area studies, where he focuses on the diplomatic history of India-China relations. In 2013, Dr. Karakattu was honored with the inaugural Centenary Visiting Fellowship Award at the School of Oriental and African Studies, University of London. More recently, he was chosen as a CISLI Fellow by the India-China Institute, New York, one of 8 scholars chosen globally. Notably, in 2020, he received the Young Faculty Recognition Award from IIT Madras in recognition of his academic achievements. Besides teaching and research commitments, Joe also serves as network editor for H Asia. He has also made 2 non-fiction films which have been screened at invitational events in the US, Singapore, Denmark, France, and across India and China. Joe believes that a teacher has an important aspirational role in the student's life beyond just the transfer of knowledge through courses. The Institute is proud to confer upon him the Srimati Marti Annapurna Gurunath Award for Excellence in Teaching for his demonstrated proficiency and innovativeness in teaching. I'll invite Joe to make his acceptance speech.
Good afternoon to all of you. I thank the Institute for this recognition. My teaching philosophy has largely been shaped by my own experiences as a student in New Delhi. Through school, college and university, looking back, some of the best teachers that I had were people who helped shape me not just as a student but also as a person. So I try to bring some of that to my work. I'd like to place on record my appreciation for the current administrators here at IIT Madras, the previous administrators, faculty and staff across departments, and my dear students who have shown a lot of love and regard for me, which sort of makes the task of teaching more gratifying every single day. I must confess that I subscribe to the old school philosophy of teaching with firmness, whether it relates to assignment deadlines or regularity in classes. I feel that firmness instills a sense of responsibility in students. I also try to inculcate a sense of belonging among students for the particular class. I feel that that makes students feel a sense of endearment, not just to the class, but also to the subject matter that is being taught. In addition, I also have tried to always reward the effort that the outcome might be an S grade, an A grade, B, C, or D for others. But I feel that as teachers, one should ensure that given the relational performance of students, that by itself should not be an impediment to the learning experience that they get to have in the classroom. So I've made it a conscious effort to reward them for their efforts, irrespective of the outcomes. I take this moment to dedicate this award to my lovely parents. My mother, Mrs. Rosie Thomas, who's probably watching this over the internet in Kerala, and my father, whom I lost 2 years ago. He was a school teacher at St. Xavier's School in Delhi for 38 years. I recollect how jealously I used to observe him having light-hearted banters with his students when he used to meet them. And I always felt that a good teacher always shares one part of his individuality which is exclusively meant for his students. And that's something I've tried to take on from him. They've been important pillars in this journey for helping me reach where I am. I also like to thank the family of Professor Marty Subramaniam for instituting this award, and the Lord has been very kind. Thank you.